What if your website had a news, insights, or industry trends section that updated itself every single day without you touching it? That's exactly what we're building in this tutorial. A fully automated, AI-powered content block you can embed on any website, no coding required. Here's how it works. You pick the sources you want to monitor: industry blogs, news sites, whatever's relevant to your audience. RSS app turns those into RSS feeds. Then AI Brief reads those feeds and writes a clean, structured summary, automatically, on your schedule. And with one embed code, that summary lives on your website, fresh every day. Let's build it. Start by grabbing the URL of any website you want to track. Go to rss.app and paste them into the RSS generator. Hit Generate. RSS app creates a structured feed with the latest posts from that page that updates automatically. Click Save to My Feeds to save it to your account. Repeat this for every source you want to pull from. It could be TechCrunch or an industry newsletter. Anything with a URL, RSS app can turn into a feed. Now let's combine all these feeds into one. Head to Bundles, add the feeds you just created, and hit Create. Now you have a single, unified feed pulling from all your sources at once. This is what AI Brief will read and summarize. Toggle the AI Brief button on the right. This is where the magic happens. Head to the AI Brief tab. Here you can choose your AI model. Basic is fast and lightweight. Advanced gives you the best quality. You can also set the tone: professional, executive, analyst, or even write a custom prompt if you want the summary to sound like you, use your brand voice, or focus on specific angles. This is huge for making your website section feel genuinely on brand. Choose your format. Brief gives you a summary with key stories. Digest is great for a compact list. You can also customize the structure: number of stories, sentence length, whether to include headings or emojis. Tailor it to exactly what you want showing up on your site. Now go to the Schedule tab. Toggle on Auto Generate. Set it to run daily or weekdays only, whatever makes sense for your audience. Pick the time and time zone. You can even set a minimum number of new articles required before a brief gets generated, so it only runs when there's actually something new to say. From this point on, your AI Brief writes itself. Every morning, or whatever schedule you set, a fresh summary is ready. No manual work.
Here's where it comes together. Go to the Widgets tab. You'll see a set of ready-made styles. Pick the one that fits your site design. Want to tweak it? Hit Customize to adjust the font or background color. When you're happy with it, click Add to Website. You'll get either a JavaScript snippet or an iframe embed code. Copy it. Then go to your website builder, find a custom HTML block, and paste in the code. Save. That's it. Your website now has a live, AI-generated content section that updates itself on schedule. Try it today with rss.app.